Okra is a plant that is cultivated in tropical warm areas around the world. It can also be called okra. That is how we call it in my area, Nigeria. It's also called bindi. I think it's in the Asian parts. That's what they call it there. And it can also be called ochro or lady's finger. Now, okra pods are rich in mucilage, gel, or slime, which provides physical benefits to your natural hair. So if you are a natural hair enthusiast, you've got to keep watching this video, because in this video I'll be showing you how to use okra to get your natural hair the best things. Welcome back, guys. So these are my okra pods. I go ahead to cut them like so in this form. You don't need to really shred it that much, just chop them up like so. But if you are making this for a one-time purpose, I suggest you don't use as much okra as I used in this video. Go ahead and use like 5 okra pods. It's okay for a one-time use. All right, so after cutting my okra pods like so, I go ahead to put it inside my pot, inside my pot, and then add like 500 ml of water, 400 to 500 ml of water. Allow it to boil. Cover the pot and allow it to boil for like 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and allow it to cool off. You wouldn't want to be using it as it is hot like this. As you can see, there's steam coming out from it. That means it's quite hot. You wouldn't want to use it like that, so you wouldn't burn yourself. Go ahead to strain it after it must have cooled off. Now after that, I go ahead to add more water into the okra so that I can make more okra gel. For maybe in 2 days time I will use it. Now for this one that's available, that I've already made right now, I go ahead to add lavender fragrance into it and also tea tree essential oil. Now the reason why I added lavender fragrance inside of this gel is because I don't like the smell of okra, okay, and I don't plan on washing it off ASAP. I plan on sleeping with it because this is something I'm going to wear overnight. Now after adding the lavender and the tea tree, I mixed it up together and went ahead to transfer it into my application bottle. The reason why I transferred into application bottle, because guys, this is a messy process, okay? Applying okra gel into your hair is a messy process, and trust me, you'd want to at least contain the process as much as you can. So I suggest when you're applying this, you apply it with your using your application bottle, or you'll be in a safe space like a bathroom to do the whole thing, because you wouldn't want to mess the whole place up with okra gel. All right, guys, so this is how I go ahead to use it to work on my hair. And yes, my hair is clean. I like applying stuff to my hair when it's clean, something as nutritional, rich, that's something as rich in nutrients as this hair gel into my hair when it is clean. So guys, as I'm working my hair with this gel, I'm going to go ahead and explain some of the benefits of okra gel to your hair. Okra is essentially made up of 90% of water, which is great to impart moisture and hydration into your natural hair. Now, okra is also made of 2% protein, which is beneficial to maintaining the moisture protein balance of your natural hair. So in essence, what I'm trying to say is that okra helps to hydrate and moisturize your natural hair. So this is one of the benefits it has. Another benefit is that it is an antioxidant, okay? Okra is rich in polyphenols, which are antioxidants and fight damaging, causing free radicals in your hair and scalp. This is because okra is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, and K. Another thing is that it also promotes scalp health, because okra is very rich in antioxidants, and it also helps to combat scalp irritation and also dandruff, caused by dryness, toxins, or vitamin deficiency. It is also rich in minerals like zinc and magnesium, which prevents hair loss. Okra also simplifies detangling, which is one of the major reasons why I suggest that you as a natural hair enthusiast should try this. Because one of the things that hinders hair growth is detangling. When you are not detangling with the right things, you end up breaking your hair, and hair breakage is not a healthy way to treat your hair. Because when your hair is breaking, you are not seeing any length, or you're not seeing any hair growth. So I suggest you use okra because of at least it's very good in, it has a very good gel which is really natural, or you can call it slime. Like the slime that comes out from it is very, very beneficial for your hair. Okay, so guys, if you've wanted to watch to this extent, please go ahead to hit that subscribe button because it doesn't cost you a thing. There on your interface you can see the thumbs up button which says like, and also there on your interface you can see the subscribe button written on red. All you have to do is click on it, and whenever I post a new video, you will be amongst the very first people to get notified. And trust me, whatever video that I'm posting is going to be beneficial either for you or to the people around you. So guys, after applying it, I go ahead to cover it up with a nylon or a plastic bag, as you might call it. Go ahead to use my satin scarf to cover it, and then the next thing is to go to bed. All right, like I told you earlier, I am going to sleep on this. If you want, you can as well not wash it off the next day. You can as well carry it as long as you want. Of course, it's natural. It's not going to harm your hair of any sort. Now, this is the next day after I have rinsed off the okra. I have rinsed off the outer part of the okra. I went on ahead to use my Daphne hair care oil to apply on my scalp and on my strands. So guys, this is one of the ways I seal in my moisture. Now you can use either a hair butter or a hair oil to seal in the moisture after you must have rinsed off. So guys, do well to suggest this video to anybody that might need it. Okra gel is very beneficial to your hair growth. It helps to improve your hair growth, because when we talk about promoting hair growth, we mean improving scalp health and length retention. When your hair and scalp are healthy and nourished, you will have less hair damage. Okra is very good for hair care or your hair growth regimen. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button.